Now here 3 vectors A bar, B bar and C bar are given. They are only components, just like it they are given as x1, y1, z1. You have to write it as x1 into I bar plus y1 into j bar plus z1 into k bar. So let us take the vectors like this. A bar is equal to I minus j plus 6k, and B bar is equal to this one, I bar minus 3j bar plus 4k bar, and C bar is equal to 2I bar minus 5j bar plus 3k bar. Now we have to find out A cross B cross C. So first of all we have to find out the cross product of the vectors which are there in the bracket. So find out B cross C first. B bar cross C bar is equal to, first you have to, first row is ijk, second row is components of B bar 1 minus 3 4, second line, so third row components of C bar 2 minus 5 3. Let us expand this one. I bar into, delete this row and column, minus 9 minus 20 plus 20, minus 9 plus 20. Here minus j bar you have to write, because row number plus column number is odd number for j bar. For that you have to put minus, opposite sign, minus j bar into, delete this middle column and first row, 3 minus 8, 3 minus 8 into j bar plus k bar into minus 5 minus 6 plus 6, minus 5 plus 6. So if you simplify this one, 20 minus 9 is 11, 11 into I bar, that 3 minus 8 is minus 5 into minus j plus 5j, last one is 6 minus 5 into k bar, that is k bar. This is B cross C. Now you have to find out A cross B cross C. So A cross B cross C is equal to, same procedure, first I bar, j bar, k bar. Next components of A bar, 1 minus 1 6, 1 minus 1 6. Next B cross C components, this is B cross C, 11, 5 and 1. Expand it, I bar into minus 1 minus 30, minus j bar into, delete the middle column and first row, 1 minus 66, 1 minus 66 and k bar plus k bar into 5 minus 11, 5 minus 11 means 5 plus 11. So this is minus 31 I bar, 65, minus 65 into minus, plus 65 j bar plus 16 k bar. This is A cross B cross C. Now in this question, the 3 vertices of triangle ABC are given. We have to find out its area in vector method. Now for getting the vector area, you have to find out 2 coterminous edges starting from the same point. You can take AB bar and AC bar, or BA bar and BC bar, or CA bar and CB bar. Let us find out AB bar and AC bar. So A is equal to 1 2 3, B is equal to 2 3 1, and C is equal to 3 1 2. Now I have to write the position vectors of those 3 points with respect to O. That implies OA bar is equal to I bar plus 2j bar plus 3k bar. OB bar is equal to 2I bar plus 3J bar plus K bar, and OC bar is equal to 3I bar plus J bar plus 2K bar. Next, find out AB, two coordinate edges, AB bar and AC bar. AB bar is equal to OB bar minus OA bar. That is second minus first, this minus this, 2I minus I bar, 3J minus J bar, K bar minus 3K bar, that is minus 2K bar. Next, AC bar, OC minus OA, OC bar minus OA bar. First, third minus first, 3I minus I, 2I, J minus 2J minus J, 2K minus 3K minus K. These are the two coterminous edges, AB bar and AC bar. Let us find out the cross product of these two. AB bar cross AC bar. Now I, J, K, 1, 1 minus 2 and 2 minus 1 minus 1. Let us expand these two. I bar into minus 1 minus 2. I bar into minus 1 minus 2 minus J bar into, delete this column and row, minus 1 minus minus 4 plus 4, minus 1 plus 4 plus K bar into minus 1 minus 2. So this is minus 3I bar, 4 minus 1 3, but it is minus 3J bar minus 3K bar. This is AB bar cross AC bar. Find out its magnitude. Modulus of AB bar cross AC bar equal to root of minus 3 whole square plus minus 3 whole square plus minus 3 whole square. That is equal to 9 plus 9 plus 9. This is 27, that is 9 into 3, 9 into 3 under root equal to 3 root 3. It is modulus of AB bar cross AC bar. Now area of triangle ABC. Half into modulus of AB bar cross AC bar. AB bar cross AC bar modulus is 3 root 3 by 2. This is 3 root 3 and into half is there, that is by 2 square units. Here say the question. Here for a tetrahedron, the three coterminous edges are given. Let us take them as A bar, B bar and C bar. They are the edges starting from A. Now what is the volume of the triangle? Not triangle, sorry, tetrahedron. So its volume is 1 by 6 times box ABC. If A, where A bar, B bar, C bar and the coterminous edges. Let us take, let A bar is equal to I plus J plus K. B bar is equal to I bar minus J bar. C bar is equal to I plus 2J plus K bar. Now volume of V is equal to volume of tetrahedron equal to 1 by 6 times box ABC, scalar triple product of A bar, B bar and C bar. So that is equal to 1 by 6 into, we have to write the determinant. First row is the coefficients of A bar, second row B bar, third row C bar. Now 1 1 1 are the coefficients of ijk in the A bar. In B bar, they are 1, minus 1, 0, no k bar. And in the C bar, 1, 2, 1. We have to expand it. 1 by 6 into 1 into minus 1 minus 0. Minus 1 minus 0 minus 1 into, delete this column and row, 1 minus 0 plus 1 into 2 minus minus 1, 2 plus 1. So this is 1 by 6 into, this is minus 1, this is also minus 1, but the last one is plus 3. So 3 minus 2, that is 1 by 6. Because it is volume, have to write the units as cubic units. 1 by 6 cubic units is the volume of the tetrahedron. Now in this question, A bar, B bar, C bar are given. We have to find out A cross B dot B cross C. First of all, we have to find out these two products, cross products. After that, we have to perform the dot product. First of all, let us take A bar cross B bar, I, J, K. A bar coefficients 2, 1, minus 1. B bar coefficients minus 1, 2, minus 4. Now expand it. I bar into minus 4 plus 2 minus J bar into, delete the middle column, first row, minus 8 minus 1, and K bar into 4 minus minus 1, 4 plus 1. Now that is minus 2 I bar, minus 9 into minus plus 9 J bar plus 5 K bar. So this is A bar cross B bar. Next one, B bar cross C bar. Again you write I, J, K. B bar coefficients minus 1, 2, minus 4. Minus 1, 2, minus 4. Next C bar coefficients 1, 1, 1. Minus 1, 2, minus 4, 1, 1, 1. So that is I bar into 2 minus minus 4, 2 plus 4, minus J bar into, delete middle row, middle column, first row, middle column, minus 1 minus minus 4 plus 4 plus K bar into minus 1 minus 2. So this is 6 into I bar, 4 minus 1 is 3, so minus 3J bar, minus 3K bar. This is B cross C. Now I have to find out the dot product of these two vectors. A bar cross B bar dot B bar cross C bar equal to, what is A bar dot B bar? Minus 2I plus 9J plus 5K dot 6I minus 3J minus 3K. Now dot product is A1 B1 plus A2 B2 plus A3 B3, that is minus 2 into 6 plus 9 into minus 3 plus 5 into minus 3, minus 12 minus 27 minus 15, minus 27 minus 27 minus 54. This is the dot product of A cross B and B cross C. here a bar, b bar, c bar and d bar are given. We have to find out the modulus of a cross b cross c cross d. First of all, we have to find out the cross products of a bar, b bar and c bar, d bar separately. Then again we have to find out the cross product of those two. After that, you have to find out the modulus. First of all, let us write a cross b. First, in exam you have to write all the vectors separately, then you have to proceed. A bar is equal to, I am writing directly a cross b, I, j, k, 2, 1, minus 3. And for b bar, 1, minus 2, 1. If you expand it, I bar into 1 minus 6 minus j bar into 2 minus 3, 2 plus 3 plus k bar into minus 4 minus 1, that is minus 5 I bar minus 5 j bar minus 5 k bar. Next, you have to find out c cross d. C bar cross d bar. Again I, j, k, I bar, j bar, k bar. First, c bar coefficients minus 1, 1, minus 4. Next, d bar coefficients 1, 1, 1. Let us expand this. I bar into 1 minus minus 4, 1 plus 4 minus j bar into minus 1 plus 4 plus k bar into minus 1 minus 1. So, this is 5 I bar, 4 minus 1 is 3 into minus 3 j bar minus 2 k bar. So, this is c cross d. Now, I have to find out a cross b cross c cross d. A cross b cross c cross d equal to, again determinant I, j, k. First, a cross b coefficients minus 5, minus 5, minus 5. Next, c cross d, 5 minus 3 minus 2. I bar into minus 10 minus 15, not minus 10, sorry, minus 5 and minus 2 plus 10 only, 10 minus 15, minus 5 and minus 2 plus 10 minus 15 minus j bar into, delete column, middle column and first row, plus 10 minus minus 25 plus 25. Next, k bar into 15 minus minus 25 plus 25. So, that is minus 5 I bar, 35 j bar, minus 35 j bar, 40 k bar. So, this is a cross b cross c cross d. Now, I have to find out its modulus. So, modulus of a cross b cross c cross d is equal to minus 5 whole square minus 35 whole square plus 40 whole square. So, 5 is common in all the three. You will take 5 square common, 5 square into 1 square plus 7 square plus 8 square, because this is 8 into 5. If you write 5 square outside, it will become 5 into square root of 1 plus 49 plus 64. 50 plus 64, 114. 5 times root 114. Now say this question. Here 3 vectors are given, a bar, b bar and c bar. Now I have to find out the answers for these two questions, a cross b cross c, and here modulus of a cross b cross c. These two are different. This is a cross b cross c and this is a cross b cross c. Both you have to find out separately. Now first of all let us find out b cross c for the first question. B bar cross c bar is equal to, first write the components of b bar, I, j, k. Now b bar coefficients 2, 1, 1. Next c bar coefficients 1, 2, minus 1. If you expand, you will get b cross, that is equal to I bar into minus 1 minus 2 minus j bar into minus 2 minus 1 plus k bar into 4 minus 1. So that is equal to minus 3 I bar plus 3 j bar plus 3 k bar. This is b cross c. Now I have to find out a cross b cross c. A bar cross b bar cross c bar. Now we have to write first I, j, k. A bar coefficients next. A bar coefficients are 1 minus 2 1. 1 minus 2 1. Next b cross c coefficients. This is minus 3 plus 3 plus 3. If we expand this one, we will get the vector I bar into minus 6 minus 3 minus j bar into 3 minus minus 3, 3 plus 3 and k bar into 3 minus 6. That is minus 9 I bar minus 6 j bar minus 3 k bar. This is a cross b cross c. Now we have to find out the second one. For second one, you have to find out a cross b first. Find out a cross b, I, j, k. First a bar coefficients 1 minus 2 1 and b bar coefficients 2 1 1. If you expand it, I bar into minus 2 minus 1 minus j bar into 1 minus 2 plus k bar into 1 minus minus 4 1 plus 4. So equal to minus 3 into I bar, 1 minus 2 is minus 1 minus minus plus j bar plus 5 k bar. This is a cross b. Next you have to find out a cross b cross c. A bar cross b bar cross c bar. Again write the determinant of I bar, j bar, k bar. First a cross b coefficients minus 3, 1, 5. Next c bar coefficients 1, 2, minus 1. 1, 2, minus 1. So expand this one. I bar into minus 1 minus 10 minus j bar into 3 minus 5 plus k bar into minus 6 minus 1 equal to minus 11 I bar, 3 minus 5 minus 2 into minus j, that is plus 2j bar minus 7k bar. This is a cross b cross c. Now its modulus. So modulus of a cross b cross c is equal to square root of minus 11 whole square plus 2 square plus minus 7 whole square. I will write it here. That is equal to square root of, this is plus 121 plus 4 plus 49. 184 or 174. 49 plus 1 is 50 plus 120, 174 under root. That is the modulus of A cross B cross C. Now say this question. Here there are two lines. One is r bar is equal to this one, and the second one is r bar is equal to minus 4i minus k plus s into 3i minus 2j minus 2k. Now we have to find out the shortest distance between these two skew lines. Skew line means one line goes under another line. They are not parallel, but they won't intersect. Then you have to find out the shortest distance. If you draw a perpendicular from the first line to that, that must be a perpendicular to the second line also, like that. Now the first line is in the form of r bar is equal to a bar plus tb bar, that is passing through the point a bar and parallel to the vector b bar. The second line is passing through c bar and parallel to the vector d bar. So that is r bar is equal to c bar plus s into d bar. You have to find out this distance, shortest distance between those two lines. Let first line B, r bar is equal to a bar plus t into b bar, where a bar is equal to 6i plus 2j plus 2k and b bar is equal to I minus 2j plus 2k. Second line B, r bar is equal to c bar plus s into d bar, where c bar is equal to first vector minus 4i minus k and d bar is the second vector 3i minus 2j minus 2k bar. Now here the formula is for the distance between two skew lines. D is equal to distance between skew lines. Skew lines. The formula is modulus of c bar minus a bar, or you can write a bar minus c bar also, anyone. A bar minus c bar cross b bar cross d bar by modulus of b bar cross d bar. So for that purpose we have to find out a bar minus c bar and b cross d. For that you have to take the dot product, dot product of a bar minus c bar and b cross d, or it is scalar triple product of this vector b bar and d bar, anyhow. Now let us find out a bar minus c bar first. A bar minus c bar, 6i minus minus 4i, or you write the vectors first, 6i plus 2j plus 2k minus c bar minus 4i minus k bar. So that is 6i minus, that is plus 4i, 10i, 2j, no j term there, 2k minus minus k, 2k plus k, 3k. So that is, this is a bar minus c bar. Next you have to find out b cross d, b bar cross d bar. This is I, j, k. First b bar coefficients 1 minus 2 2, Next d bar coefficients 3 minus 2 minus 2. Now expand this one, I bar into 4 minus minus 4, 4 plus 4 minus j bar into minus 2 minus 6 plus k bar into minus 2 plus 6. So this is 8 I bar minus 8 into minus plus 8 j bar. This is 6 minus 2 plus 4 k bar. For this denominator, you have to find out b cross d modulus also. Its modulus you have to calculate. B cross d modulus is equal to root of 8 square plus 8 square plus 4 square. 4 square is common. 4 into 2 square plus 2 square plus 1 square equal to 4 plus 4, 8 plus 1, 9. Square root is 3. 4 square root is 4. 4 into 3. So that is 12. Now we have to find out the dot product of A bar minus C bar dot B cross D. A bar minus C bar dot B cross D equal to A bar minus C bar is 10I plus 2j plus 3k dot B cross D. Just now I calculated 8I plus 8j plus 4k equal to 10 into 8, 80. That is A1 B1 plus A2 B2 plus A3 B3 because it is dot product. Again 2 into 8, 16 plus 3 into 4, 12. 96, 98, 108. You keep it like that. Now let us find out the shortest distance, D. D is equal to modulus of A bar minus C bar dot B cross D by modulus of B bar cross D bar. What is A bar minus C bar dot B cross D is 108 by modulus of B cross D is 12. So 9, it goes 9 times in that one. So the distance between, shortest distance between the two given lines is 9 units. Now see this question. In this question, 4 points are given, A, B, C and D. We have to find out the shortest distance between AB bar and CD bar. Now we have to consider these two, we have to convert these two lines into the standard form. R bar is equal to A bar plus TB bar and R bar is equal to C bar plus TD bar, like that, or SD bar. Now find out, that is you take A bar as OA bar, that is A points 1 minus 2 minus 1, that is I bar minus 2j bar minus k bar, and B bar is AB bar and B bar is equal to AB bar, that is OB minus OA, that is equal to OB bar is 4I, B coordinates are 4 0 minus 3, 4I minus 3k bar because J bar coefficient is 0 minus OA bar, this one I minus 2j minus k. So this is after simplification 4I minus I, 3I minus minus plus 2j bar minus 3k plus k minus 2k bar. Next you take C bar is equal to OC bar. C coordinates are 1, 2, minus 1. So OC bar is I bar plus 2j bar minus k bar. Next D bar is CD bar we have to take OD minus OC, that is equal to OD minus OC. This is OC. OD bar is 2i minus 4j minus 4j minus 5k. Because D coordinates are 2 minus 4 minus 5, OD bar is 2i minus 4j minus 5k minus OC bar. This is OC bar, I plus 2j minus k. Subtract 2i minus I bar minus 4j minus 2j minus 6j minus 5k plus k minus 4k. Now, first line equation of AB is R bar is equal to A bar plus T into B bar, that implies R bar is equal to, keep it like that, already we wrote the values of, and equation of CD is R bar is equal to C bar plus S into D bar. This is D bar, last one. Now we know the formula, distance between the two skew lines. D is equal to distance between, here you can write P. D is equal to distance between AB bar and CD bar is equal to A bar minus C bar dot B bar cross D bar by modulus of B bar cross D bar. For this also you can take modulus, because it is distance, it is always positive. So A bar minus C bar. What is A bar minus C bar? First of all, you have to find out these two. What is A bar minus C bar? This is A bar. I bar minus 2j minus k minus C bar. I plus 2j minus k. So this is I minus I cancelled, minus 2j minus 2j minus 4j minus k minus minus k plus k. So only minus 4j bar. Next we have to find out B cross D. B bar cross D bar is equal to, find the determinant. B bar cross D bar is equal to determinant I, J, K. First B bar coefficients. B bar is this one, 3, 2, minus 2, 3, 2, minus 2, and D bar is this one, 1, minus 6, minus 4. So that is equal to I bar into minus 8 minus 12 minus J bar into, delete the middle column, first row, minus 12 minus minus 2 plus 2. Next plus K bar into 3 into minus 6 minus 18 minus 2. So this is minus 20 I bar minus 10 into minus j plus 10 j bar minus 20 k bar. So this is B cross D. Now first of all you have to find out a bar minus c bar, a bar minus c bar dot b cross d equal to a bar minus c bar is this one, minus 4j bar dot b cross d. This is b cross d, minus 20 I bar plus 10j bar minus 20 k bar equal to only minus component j bar coefficient is there here, minus 4 into plus 10 minus 40. So let us find out the modulus of b cross d also. B cross d modulus root over 20 square plus 10 square plus 20 square 400, that is 500, root of 500, that is 100 into 5, 10 root 5. Now distance d is equal to, we have to use this formula, modulus of a bar minus c bar dot b cross d by modulus of b cross d. What is this value? That is minus 40, modulus of minus 40 by b cross d is 10 root 5 and modulus. So 40 by 10 root 5, 10 is cancelled, 4 by root 5 equal to 4 by root 5 units. Sorry, you made a mistake here. This is 400 plus 100 plus 400, it is 900. It is 900. So square root of 900 is 30. So here you will get only 30. 40 by 30. That is 4 by 3 units. Modulus of minus 40 is 40. 40 by that is 4 by 3 units.